Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. First we use the color of black, yellow color. The next one is blue color, red color, and the last one is green color. Kids, first we draw the number of 1 and now we use the color of black. Now we use the color of black and draw 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. We again use black color and now we draw the number of 4. Now we draw 5. Kids, the next one is 6 and now we use the color of blue. Now we use the color of blue. Blue color. The number of 6. The next one is 7. We again use blue color and now we draw 8. Kids, now we draw the number of 9. N-I-N-E, 9. And the next one is 10. Now we draw the number of 10. Kids, now we use the color of yellow and draw 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The next one is 12. We again use yellow color. The next one is 13. We again use yellow color and now we draw 14. Now we draw 15. The next one is 16 and now we use the color of green. Now we use green color, green color. The number of 16. The next one is 17. Kids, we again use green color. Now we draw 18. The next one is 19. Green color. Kids, now we draw 20. The number of 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.